Great Western Railway service to Penzance, calling at Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes, Ivy Bridge, Plymouth, Liskeard, Bodmin Parkway, Parr, St Austell, Truro, Redruth, Cambourne, St Erth and Penzance. This train has 9 coaches. Food and drink is available on the train. First class accommodation can be found in zones 8 and 9, standard class in zones 1 to 7, cycle spaces in zones 2 and 7, wheelchair facilities in zones 1 and 9. Platform 1 for the 1702 Great Western Railway service to Penzance.